Canva has a new AI tool, and this time it's seriously mind-blowing. It's an AI that creates full videos from a simple prompt. And yes, I know Canva already had something like that. But now it's powered by VO3, Google's most advanced video model right now. It creates cinematic, realistic scenes with camera movement, lighting, dialogue, and sound, all from a single prompt. In this video tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use it step by step, and I will also share my prompt builder template to help you write better prompts and get better results. Ready? Let's dive in. Alright, so let's start. To access the tool, go and click on Canva AI from Canva's homepage. Then you will see all the options Canva AI has to offer. The last one here is create a video clip, and I'll click on it to start creating a video with Canva AI. Then at the bottom, you will see all your recent chats with Canva AI, not just video creation, but everything you've used Canva AI for. Below that, you will find different options for things you can create with the video creator. Please note, these examples will generate a video with the default prompt shown here, so don't click on them, just hover over them with your mouse to preview what you can generate. If you click on them, it will use a credit, and we're very low on credits right now. So don't waste your credits on these examples, just use them for inspiration. So again, make sure to only hover over these examples and avoid clicking them. Now let's look at the settings here. After clicking Create a Video Clip, you can choose a specific style if you'd like. You can either click on one of the styles shown or simply describe the style inside your prompt. You don't have to select any of them in order to generate a video. Next is the aspect ratio. Currently, the only available ratio in Canva is 16:9, but as you can see, 9:16 is coming soon. This tool is still in its early stages, so I believe more options will be added in the future. For now, we can only use the 16:9 ratio, so I'll click on that. Then we have duration, and for now, the only option is 8 seconds video. Custom duration is coming soon, so I'm sure that Canva will add more options in the near future. Next up is framing, but you can also include that inside your prompt. You don't have to select anything here. Unless you need help, then you can pick one and the video will follow that style. The last setting is lighting. Again, this is something you can also describe in your prompt, but it's helpful that Canva shows us example to spark ideas if you don't have any specific thing in mind. Now for the big part, the prompt itself. But first, a few important things to know about Canva's video creator before we get started. You can only generate a 16:9 video for now. It's limited to just 8 seconds, but that might change soon. Each prompt gives you one video, so use your credits wisely. Right now, you get only 5 credits per month, and it's available for Pro, Teams, and Enterprise users only. Your Canva interface must be set to English. So if you're working with another language, make sure to switch it to English first. Now let's get back. Alright, let's move on to the prompt. If you want to generate a good video, you need to be very detailed with your prompt. To help with that, I've created a template in Canva Sheets that you can use to write better prompts. Let me explain what I've done here and how to use it to build your own prompt. The link to this template is in the video description and on the screen right now. Feel free to use it. It will help you create better videos more easily. So here's what I've done. I created a table with the key elements we need to include in the prompt. The first row is your story. This is where you write your scene idea in your own words. Just describe how you imagine the scene and write it in that cell. Remember, this is only scene 1, meaning one video from the full short story or clip you're creating. Each prompt equals one video. Let's look at my example. The idea is cats take over New York City. That's the general concept. But the first video I want to generate is security footage shows thousands of cats quietly staring at the Statue of Liberty. That will be the first video we generate. Now let's break that into the prompt elements. First is subject, the focus of the video. Mine is cats sitting on a dock. Then comes setting, where the scene happens. Mine is New York Harbor with a view of the Statue of Liberty. Then we have visual style, the overall look. Mine is photorealistic 3D animation, looks real but slightly exaggerated for humor. Next, camera style, shot type, and filming technique. Mine will be aerial drone shot with a sudden zoom in. Then camera movement, how the camera behaves. Mine will be starts smooth, then dramatic push in. Next, lighting and mood, the time of the day, vibe, or weather if you want to specify that. Mine will be dramatic sunset lighting. Clothing and props, what the subjects are wearing. If you want to specify that, you can. Mine will be tiny pilot goggles on some cats, just to make it a bit more funny. And action, what happens in the scene. Mine will be they all sit still, one cat raises a paw like giving a signal. Dialogue or sound, what's heard in the video. Mine will be no dialogue at all, just mysterious music and wave sounds because it's happening on the dock. And emotions, the mood or expressions. Mine will be a mysterious scene. So that's how I filled it in. It might feel like a lot at first, but you don't have to write it all manually. Just type your story in the first row and then let Canva Sheets AI help with the rest. Let's say your idea is a dolphin finds a glowing smartphone on the ocean floor. Now you want to fill in the rest of the prompt details. You can select the empty cells after that, then go to Actions up here and choose Fill Empty Cells. Canva AI will suggest ideas for each row. Just click Insert and it will populate your prompt. Of course, you can tweak or edit anything. It just gives you a helpful starting point and then you can customize it however you like. One tip, delete my story from the first row before generating your own, because sometimes Canva AI pulls info from those cells too. So delete it and then generate just to be safe. You can also do this whole process in ChatGPT if you prefer. Just copy the structure, tell ChatGPT this is your prompt format, give it one example from here, and ask it to generate a new one for your own story. So again, link to the template is in the description. Use it to help generate stronger, clearer prompts. Now let's go back to Canva AI and generate the first scene. I will copy the cells I filled in, go back to the video clip generator and paste in the information. You can even add the title. Let me just go and copy it and paste it right here. And now all the prompt details are here. Feel free to add anything extra to the prompt at the end if you have any idea of something specific you want to add. And you can also use voice input if you prefer to describe your prompt just out loud like a normal talking. Now let's hit submit and see what Canva creates. Usually it takes a few minutes, so I'll pause the recording so I won't waste your time. All right, it's ready. Let's see what it gives us. All right, it looks so cool. It really gives a mysterious vibe. Let's play it on a bigger screen. Those meow sounds in the background and the mysterious music. Alright, so this was the first one. You can obviously continue tweaking this video if you want to change something specific or add something. Just keep writing right here and it will modify the video accordingly. I like this video and I don't want to burn another credit by changing it, so let's just continue. Before moving on to the second scene, I'll show you what you can do from here. Besides generating a second version of this video or changing something, you can go up here and click download to save this video to your computer. Let me just give it a name, scene 1, and I will save it in this folder. You can also click Use Canva Editor to open the video inside Canva's editor, so you can edit it however you want using Canva tools. But I will show you how to connect everything and work with it in the Canva editor later on, so for now I just downloaded it and let's move on to the second scene. I will click Canva AI again. Just so you know, you can click on this menu on the left to see your chat history with Canva AI. I will close it for now and let's paste in the second prompt. I will just select all these cells, copy it, and paste it in. And again, I will add the title of the story so it stays in the line with the previous video. Let's hit generate again and see how it turns out. It says it will take up to 2 minutes to create the video, and yeah, I hope it stays like that because right now it feels pretty fast. I hope Canva maintains this pace even as more users start using the tool at the same time. Alright, let's see how this video turned out.
Woo, that was close!
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure we made it just in time.
Alright, this one is giving me a more of a happy and light vibe, not like the mysterious one we had before. I will probably ask for more dramatic vibe, maybe something that stays in the line with the previous video if I plan to connect them one after the other. It might feel a bit weird because the sound is very different.
Yeah, and I'm
But I
pretty
can
sure we made
obviously
it
just
in
mute the
time.
sound and add something else later in the editor. So let's move on to the last prompt. I'm really curious to see how it turns out. Let's copy it and paste this one and go back to the bar. I'll paste it in. Again, I'll enter the title of this story and let's go over this one for a second. So, cats are everywhere, doing yoga in the park, stealing bagels, and riding taxis. Cats in full takeover mode, iconic New York City spots, Times Square, Central Park, Office. Let's just remove Office from here. Same photorealistic 3D animation as before. Fast cut montage, that's nice. Rapid transitions between shots, also great. Sunny and cheerful. I'll stick with sunny and cheerful since the previous one was that way too. Maybe I should add another scene between the mysterious one and these last two to make the transition smoother, but I'll think about it later. One wears sunglasses, one has a fedora. Actually, I'm not sure what a fedora is, but let's find out. One cat jumps onto a taxi, another snatches a bagel and meows. Fun music, city noise, and cartoonish sound effects. Let's delete the fun music for now because I might add the music later across all scenes together, so it won't break between them. Let's hit submit one last time for this video and hope it turns out great. Meanwhile, I'll go to the chat history to download the previous video because I forgot to do it earlier. You can also hover over the video and click download right here. Let's call it scene number 2 and save it. Then let's go back to the third video we're creating. It's still loading, so I'll pause the recording for a second and come back when it's ready. Alright, it's ready. Let's open it and watch. I hope it turned out great. Okay, it turned out a bit messy, I think. Let's watch it again. Okay, it just made the bagels appear everywhere and yeah, okay, it's pretty messy. But Just for this example, I will also download it to my computer and I will call it scene number 3. Now let's move on to the editor to show you how to play with the videos we just created. Alright, so I will go back to the Canva homepage and then I will click on video. I will choose landscape because that's the ratio of the videos we generated. Alright, let's upload the files I downloaded. I'll select all of them, hit open, then they will load for a few seconds, and I will be able to just drop them in as you can see. Alright, the second one is this one, and the last one is this. Okay, let's just play everything from the beginning.
Woo, that was close!
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure we made it just in time.
The last one didn't play for some reason. Let's try again. Nope, I don't know why. Okay. So I think it's better to just mute all these videos and pick one music track, maybe for the second and third ones together. And I can also add these black bars to the top and bottom of the 2 videos, just to keep that movie vibe. Alright, I won't waste your time. I will work on this video now and you will be ready to see the final result in just a moment.
We are going to get those treats, no matter what it takes.
Woo, that was close!
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure we made it just in time.
In other news, hey! Stop that!
And that's it for today's tutorial. If it helped, leave a comment and let me know what you made. Scan the QR code to join my free newsletter with weekly tips and tools. And of course, hit subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.